We are finally leaving this apartment. This is my room. Our Oh my god, guys, moving is not so fun. I'm tired. Oh my goodness. I am so tired. Do I still want to move again? No. But then let me show you what this place looks like. Here we do our laundry. And here, this is what it looks like. You wash, then you dry. Right? So the basement is just it's just a basement below the building. The basement in the building rather. So yeah guys, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Hold on, babe. Oh my goodness. So I'm taking you guys on a tour of what the apartment looks like. Ah, God, these stairs that annoys me so much. Like, I'm just tired. Oh, but thank you.
Like, I think this one is more exhausting than going to the other place.
Right.
Like the other place, we just have to push it and then.
Right. Because of the stairs. This is the entrance. See the way I'm breathing, guys. So we're almost done packing. Only a few things left. Let me calm down. These stairs. So this is what the apartment looks like. Oh my god. Ooh.
Please let me disconnect. Maybe.
The Wi-Fi. What?
Let me disconnect this because I'm putting inside this bag.
We are finally leaving this apartment. We are finally.
And glue that thing to the shift.
What's that?
Shift fridge.
I've done it now.
Are you serious? No, not this one.
Which one?
That one.
Which one?
Can you...
This is what the kitchen looks like, and I don't like it. I really do not like what this kitchen is giving. See, everywhere is empty because we are ready to go. I really cannot wait to start staying in the new apartment. But it's so good. I made a lot of memories in this building, in this apartment. The fridge is also empty. We already packed everything. Yeah, so this is where I do my content when I initially got here. This is the door. Then I started making use of the bathroom because of the lights. So guys, this is me. So I always have to close this door. Oh, my voice is starting to echo. Oh, Jesus. Reality. So this is what the toilet looks like. Although we've removed the curtains. Yeah, so. And left the transparent nylon there. So this is what we have now, guys. So one thing about living an apartment in the United States, right? You have to clean it, or you call a professional cleaner to come and help you clean it if you know you cannot. But know that you're going to pay money, it's not free. Nothing is free in America. So this is what the toilet looks like. This is what it looks like. Yeah, my favorite spot is this place. So always do my videos. Oh my god, I'm going to miss this bathroom. Like, this bathroom is just, it's just it. I love it. I love the lightnings. I love it so much. It makes my video come out very good. So So one of the reasons why I don't like this apartment is because of this wall. It's a no-no for me. I don't like it. So, and again, this is the closet, guys. This is where we keep our clothes. I keep my shoes and his shoes. We make use of this tiny closet. But then in the new apartment, we have a bigger closet. Oh my god, I can't wait to show you guys. So this is the toilet again. This is the toilet again, right?